mean, as we're we're opening up here in Chicago, and I've gone to a couple of restaurants, and you have got to wear your mask. You got to.
Mhm.
They even took my temperature when I go in, and I think visually what they're doing sort of helps comfort you. You say, especially these first year students, they want to get the experience, but we're all really cautious of what's happening right now. So I think I'd like your opinion, what your take is and what your plan is to communicate sort of what the cleanliness looks like, what the procedures are, just a way to put these students and faculty at ease and let them know that, hey, we're doing the best we can here. We're following this protocol or whatever. What's your take on that, on the community?
Yeah. Early on, we were communicating to the staff as they were out for the first 2 weeks, that there was they kind of had the idea that they might come back second 2 weeks. We had already begun the process of describing what I'll call enhanced cleaning, that we were doing, a higher level, more detailed cleaning than they had maybe seen before or experienced. What I am most happy about, or an item that I'm most happy about, is that Joe didn't need to go out and define that to the degree that I could turn around and communicate every level of what enhanced cleaning was. A&A Maintenance came around with a new program, the wellness, and that, I mean, it took the whole level of me having to communicate and kind of off board, right? You guys took care of that. You made it a smooth, easily communicated component of the work that needs to be done here. The 6 foot tall towers, the desk placards, all the things that you've added there have been shared with the leadership team here. They're delighted around it. It certainly echoes what we were trying to achieve, and yet we had an industry expert that came back and provided that to us. And so that's a value add that almost immeasurable.